Programming a smart key fob for your 2019-2022 Chevy Blazer can be done yourself, saving time and money compared to dealership visits. The process involves synchronizing the fob signal with the vehicle's body control module, using a timed sequence of ignition cycles and button presses. While DIY is feasible for basic programming, professional help is recommended for any issues to avoid damaging the vehicle's security system. Ensure the vehicle is unlocked and all doors are closed. Insert the key into the ignition for non-push button start models, or use the key fob to start if equipped. Cycle the ignition, turn to on for accessories, off, on, then back to off. For push button start, press start stop without pressing pedals. Within 10 seconds, the doors should lock and unlock automatically, indicating programming mode. Hold the fob's lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 1 to 2 seconds. The doors should respond. Repeat for additional fobs, up to 4 can be programmed. Exit by turning the ignition to off or waiting 30 seconds. Remember to use a compatible fob and ensure it has fresh batteries, CR2032 lithium coin cell. If this doesn't work, consult a professional.